These are the Bootfoot chest waders by TIDEWE. TIDEWE waders are durable, waterproof, and comfortable. The TIDEWE Bootfoot chest waders feature a chest pocket that's made out of 100% waterproof material. This pocket is great for items like your cell phone or your wallet. The waistband features a heavy-duty buckle. It's easy to adjust and fit to your size. The adjustable elastic suspender features a quick release for convenience. This drawstring makes perfect fit a cinch. The TIDEWE Bootfoot waders offer precise reinforced stitching as well as a heat-welded seam around the boot to ensure you'll stay nice and dry on the water. The TIDEWE Bootfoot waders offer a thickened reinforced sole. This means better traction and slip resistance when walking through the water. No matter where your adventure takes you, the TIDEWE Bootfoot waders are strong, comfortable, and rugged, ensuring you'll be ready for a full day on the water.